Hey guys, what's going on? It's Dr. Linz here, and today we're going to do yet another review, and I'm excited for this one because it is a little bit different. I want to know your thoughts below. One big reason why I wanted to get these because I did see these on TikTok and they were looking good, and then also there's a lot of reviews for these leggings. So let's go ahead, we're gonna get into it. But first, I'm gonna just let you know, I don't know how to pronounce this brand. So you can go ahead and check out the link below. When you do shop directly from any of my links, it does help support me and I truly appreciate that. So let's talk about these. Where did I get them? I got them from Amazon. So as you can imagine, these are a lower cost legging. So if you're someone looking for a lower cost legging, these may be for you. But I want to go ahead and review these for you to let you know, are they worth the hype or not? Okay, so the description of these leggings, they are women's scrunch butt lifting leggings, seamless, high-waisted workout yoga pants. So they're a little bit of everything for us. When I pulled these out of the bag, first of all, I got the tie-dye blue. They have different tie-dye colors. They have a leopard print, which I like. So they have a lot of variation here. Now on the pictures on Amazon, as you can imagine, the model, her booty looks a little bit edited. So that's something always I think is kind of funny on Amazon. Anyways, so as soon as I pulled these out of the bag, okay, I felt like they were a little thicker. So they are going to be a thicker legging, which is perfect for this time of year. They are not as buttery smooth, but they're not scratchy or anything like that. As soon as I put these on, I said, wow, these are actually really comfortable. So I thought they were comfortable and I thought they fit me well. I did get a size medium. I didn't want them to be too tight, too snug, especially with that scrunch butt, because if they're too tight on that scrunch butt, it can be very uncomfortable in the butt crack region, okay? Let's just be honest here. You guys know what I'm saying if you've ever tried on scrunch butt leggings. So I got a size medium and that fit well. I wear like a size small in the Lululemon Align pant. I also will wear a size small in the Vital Seamless Gymshark if that helps you out. Usually with a more athletic legging, I do have to size up. These don't seem as tight as like the Fast and Freeze from Lululemon. So I don't know, I just thought they were comfortable with the size medium. Okay, so let's move on to that waistband. The waistband is nice and wide, which I appreciate. It's also double layered, so it did hold me in. Again, another thing I appreciate. And is the high waist test, does it pass the high waist test? It does for me. It is about above my belly button, you can see in the video. So they are high-waisted. So I did like all of those features with that waistband. Also, when we are getting a lower cost legging or an off-brand legging, I always want to know, is it going to give me a camel toe? These did not. So that's great. You don't have to worry about that. I have like seamless underwear on and you couldn't see the underwear either. So all of that was good to go. Now let's talk about the side view. The side view, we do have some detail with the leggings. You have horizontal stripes vertical stripes going down the side of the leg. Could do without them. You can't really see them with the tie-dye, but it is a nice little detail. For the one thing I really wanted to talk about with these leggings is the glutes. So you guys know I'm usually not the biggest fan of scrunch butt. I don't know, I just really don't want that much attention back there. But the scrunch butt did make the booty look good. So if it's something you feel comfortable with, go for it, girl. For me, I still don't really care for the scrunch butt, but it does look good. So if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't, you know what I mean? So you got that back there. I did personally feel the seam a little bit with the scrunch butt, but it wasn't like horribly uncomfortable. So if you're used to scrunch butts, you probably wouldn't feel it. Okay, now we're gonna talk about the V around the glutes. I absolutely love the V around the glutes because I think that really does make the booty look good in a comfortable way. So these have that, and that just helps the glutes here. And I think that's why they kind of are popular on TikTok, because they do make the booty look so good. And then last but not least, kind of like Gymshark, you have a little line under the glute, so it kind of then again you're rounding the booty at the bottom as well. So you have all kind of booty contour with these leggings. With me being a little shorter, the medium still fit me in length, so I didn't have an issue with that. Maybe a little bit of looseness at the bottom of the leg, but nothing super crazy noticeable. When I'm comparing these to Gymshark and Lululemon, these are essentially half or even a quarter of the price in some cases. So if you are looking for a little bit of a less expensive legging or lower cost legging, These are a great thing where they still, help you make you look even better than what you already look, girl. So I do like them for that. As far as the thickness goes, again, they are a little bit of a thicker legging. I do think I would enjoy working out with them because they do have an athletic feel. So if you'd like to check them out, I have them linked up below. Let me know your guys' thoughts and let me know if you have any off-brand leggings that you have found on Amazon, if you'd like me to review them or any other kind of brands. Until next time, we will talk to you guys later.